Hello everyone, today I want to share my views on the final velocity and types of velocity. It's the topic of science, but before starting the topic I want to share that if you are the first viewer of my channel, then please subscribe my channel and like my video and share my video also. So first of all, we started with the final velocity. What is the final velocity? Final velocity of an object is equal to its initial velocity plus acceleration multiplied by the time it traveled and can be given as. It means that we can calculate the final velocity by its initial velocity plus acceleration multiplied by the time. Okay, so it's the final velocity, and equation has to be given as v is equal to u plus a delta t. U is the initial velocity, a is the acceleration, delta t is the time. Okay, so final velocity is equal to its initial velocity plus acceleration multiplied by the time. Okay, v is the final velocity. So final velocity formula, Vf is equal to Vi plus a delta t. It's the final velocity formula. For a given initial velocity of an object, you can multiply the acceleration due to force of time. The force is applied and added to initial velocity to get the final position. It's all about that we have discussed in the above. Okay, so initial velocity plus की जाती है acceleration multiply by time. Okay, so final velocity is equal to u plus a delta t. So delta is the front of the t, means its change in time, and that can be written as delta in the front of t. Means what is the meaning of delta, which is represent in front of the t? It means that its change in time, as that can be written as, means that it is the change of time, change in time, tf minus ti, and initial velocity. What is initial velocity? Initial velocity is the velocity at time interval t is equal to 0. Initial velocity is the velocity at time t is equal to 0. It is represented by a u. It means that initial velocity is represented by u. It is velocity at which the motion start. It means that when the some object has to be started anywhere, or any activity of the object is started, then initial velocity is to be started. There are 4 initial formulas. If time, acceleration and final velocity are provided, initial velocity is calculated as u is equal to v minus at. It means that it is the initial velocity formula. U is equal to v minus at, where u is the initial velocity, v is the final velocity, minus a is the acceleration, t is the time. Okay, how do you find initial velocity for first equation of motion? V is equal to u plus at, where v is the final velocity, u is the initial velocity, t is the time instance. So we can find initial velocity from first equation of motion is the formula v is equal to u plus at. Okay, now types of velocity. Constant velocity, changing velocity, mathematics of acceleration, instant velocity, terminal velocity, and also uniform velocity, variable velocity, average velocity, instantaneous velocity. So these are the types of velocity. So types of velocity. But before starting the topic, I want to share that if you are the first viewer of my channel, then please subscribe my channel, like my video, and also share my video also. So let's start the topic. Types of velocity. Number 1, constant velocity. Constant velocity, a body is said to be moving at the constant velocity when the speed of object has not to be changed. So What is the constant velocity? When the speed of the object is not to be changed, even though the direction may has to be changed. Like that, if the direction has to be changed, then there is no that the object has to be changed. So it is the constant velocity. If the object has changed due to the direction of the object has to be changed, then it is not the constant velocity. It means that a body is said to be moving at the constant velocity when the speed of the object has not changed, even though the direction may have changed. In other words, a motion with zero. A motion with zero acceleration. A motion with zero acceleration. So constant velocity is a motion with zero acceleration, and constant means steady speed. Constant means steady speed. Number 2, changing velocity. What is changing velocity? A velocity that changes with the speed and direction, or changes either speed or direction, is called changing velocity. It means that when the object's speed and direction has to be changed, then it is called changing velocity, and it is also called acceleration. Changing velocity means a velocity that the changes with the speed and direction, or when the object's speed and direction has to be changed, then it is called changing velocity, and it is also called acceleration. Number 3, mathematics of acceleration. Mathematics, the rate of change of velocity with respect to time. The rate of change of velocity, acceleration, with the respect of time. It means that it is a vector quantity, and it has both magnitude and direction, and formula is A is equal to V upon T. A is equal to V upon T. A is equal to V upon T. What is the mathematics of acceleration formula? A is equal to V upon T. Now, instant velocity. Instant velocity, the limit of average velocity as the elapsed velocity approaches 0, or the derivative of x with respect to t vt, time, with respect to time, vt is equal to d dt multiply by t multiply by vt is equal to, what's the formula? d dt multiply by t. Velocity time is equal to d dt multiply by t dot vt is equal to d dt multiply by t. Number 5, terminal velocity. The highest velocity attained by an object falling through a fluid, it is observed when the sum of drag force and buoyancy is equal to downward gravity force acting on the object. It means that velocity attained by an object falling through a fluid. It means that downfall of the gravity acting by force acting on the object. Downfall gravity is act like a object. The acceleration of the object is 0 at the net force acting on the. It means acceleration is 0 when there is a gravity down acting on the object. Okay, now uniform velocity. The velocity of an object can be defined as the rate of change of object position with respect to frame of reference. The condition in which a body covers equal displacement in equal interval of time is called uniform velocity. It means that uniform velocity is the change of object position with respect to the time. Uniform velocity is equal to change of object of position oblique time, and it is the condition in which body covers equal displacement in time interval of time is called uniform velocity. Now, variable velocity, when the displacement of body is different in equal interval of time and the velocity is variable velocity. It means that body is different in equal interval of time. The displacement of, it means that the position of the object is different. Displacement of the object is different in equal interval of time. Then the velocity is variable velocity. If it is the velocity in which the space described varies from instant to instant, either increasing or decreasing. Okay, so it is the variable velocity. Now, average velocity. Velocity is the directional speed of an object in motion as an indication of its rate of change in position as observed for a particular frame of reference and measured by particular standard of time is the average velocity. It is a directional speed of an object in motion. Average velocity is the directional speed of object in motion as an indication of its change in position. Speed and change in position is very important in average velocity and measured by the particular standard of time. Now, antonyms for velocity: block, rest, stoppage, slowing, delay, hindrance, slowness. So it's all about the types of velocity and also about the some final velocity and final velocity formula and initial velocity. So please subscribe my channel, like my video and share my video also. Thanks.